Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Wednesday. It is January the 13th, 2021, and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. We have clubs today. We may not have Christians on campus today. That may actually be next week. My apologies. We have our Creativities Club happening today after school. We may have Christians on campus today happening at lunchtime, but I think that's next week. And we've got our GA Dance Club with Mrs. Freitas. So come be a part of things here at Green Acres, even when we're apart. We have clubs tomorrow also. We've got our Outdoors Club meeting tomorrow, Thursday, after school with Mrs. Williams. Come check it out. Today, of course, is our first day back with RTI. We've got our regular RTI schedule happening, so make sure that you are taking care of business with your work. You do have time for lunch. You won't have office hours anymore. I need to update this. And then you've got your work time in the afternoon. So again, teachers have assigned you. You showed up to school today. You're going to check in and make sure you know where you need to be with your advisory teacher. And then you go to those links. Some of you have the class right after you have advisory. It's a great time to still go to those classes. Don't ditch out. Make sure you show up and take care of business, even on this first day. Let's make a resolution for RTI. Let's make sure that we attend every single RTI that we can so that we can be as ready for class as possible. So with that in mind, we are Chargers with heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go and whatever you do, be a Charger with heart. Have a great day.